Alright guys, well, I'm decided to do a late night, data log. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just setting everything up, making sure everything's good. I got over here, if you guys can see, got my long-term bank 1 and 2 and knock sensor. This is important because, don't want your engine going poo-poo. And then I got the other stuff over here that has all my data stuff on my computer. For now, let's go ahead and drive to Mexico so we can get a good log. So alright guys, well, we're over here in Mexico, so it is time to go. So we got numbers, so got all that going right there, all the graph, and then we got the knock sensor. So let's go ahead and let's do it. Alright. Wasn't that great. Manifold, long-term 23, yeah, that's not good. Still giving me a lot, so I don't know, we'll go again, see what happens. You want your long-term trims, you want it under 0.20. So if you're going into watt and you're over 20, it normally means exhaust leak, or not exhaust leak, vacuum leak, or you're not getting enough fuel to the system. So could just be, a simple thing, but I don't know, we'll try again though. That's all we do. So that's literally all we do right there. Let's roll down these windows. Let's go give you guys a drive. And that's it guys, that's what I do when I data log for my tuner, and yeah, just go around and do that. And I just wanted to say, I know you can't see my face right now, but if you could believe it, you can achieve it. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.